G'day everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing well, and I'm pretty excited to do another little something interesting. Hold on, I am missing a tool. Okay, I am back. This one is a bit wonky, so I want to sort him out. So this, I don't know, you probably can't remember, quite some time ago I made a mold of a bowl, more like a holder for my coasters, which were this kind of a shape. And I thought I'm never going to use this again, and I thought I'm just going to cut it. So the inside of it, obviously, because it was like a bowl, was solid, and all of these were stuck together, one on top of the other. And I just cut through them, and I thought as I was cutting, I got some really interesting shapes. So I thought I might use that. So that's all I was doing, just going around, cut, and then go in. And every time I did that, I made those really nice looking waves. So I'm just going to cut that bit off. It's starting to get a little bit blunt. Should never use a blunt knife. It's the sure way to get cut. Why is it doing that? Alright, that should do it now. Alright, it's not too bad. Alrighty, so I've got some... Okay, this is going to be very interesting. Very interesting. See, that side is nice as well. I don't know. I'll go this way. And it's got some glitter on it already because I had glitter on my hands. I've got a little bit of resin here with some just clear resin with some stardust, and look at that, stardust pigment, which is this one here. If you don't have it, you've got to have it. It's really glamorous and interesting and yummy. So I'm just going to pour it here and see what I'm going to get. So I'll definitely, once this sets, it's going to be like a thin piece, or a slice rather, of resin that I can use in another piece. So I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't sort of leak anywhere. So I'll go onto the next one, and I can add some glitter in there or little interesting things. But I do like those waves. Whoa. Okay, I think that one's going to want to slide off. But we won't let it. There we go, that fixed it. And some more. This is really thin, the resin today. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful warm day. I think it was 25 degrees Celsius. And we're still in winter, so feels like spring. Like you can feel the air is lovely and warm, and there's a breeze, but it's a nice warm breeze. So yeah, very interesting. And I want to pour some over here, just a thin layer, to see if I can pop those little silicone, actually they're not silicone, they're like little acrylic bubbles that got stuck in there, but I want to see if I can pop them out with my resin when it sets. And alright, so that's what I've got there, which is pretty cool. A bit more maybe. Yeah, I have to put, see, silicone. That's why you can unmold things easily from silicone, because silicone and resin don't like each other. They separate all the time. I need another little piece of something to pop underneath here. There we go. This one's going to be really interesting. So I better think up what I'm going to do with it once it's done. Alrighty. go. Wow, this one's really interesting. Can't even see that one. Let me bring you a bit closer. Now, should I do this one? Maybe I'll do this one as well. But I might put a little tint in there. Oh, geez. Okay, I needed some reinforcements. But I think I need some more over here. I need to fix these a little bit better so that I don't worry about this. What's going on here now? There. Oh, let me deal with it. Okay, so I'm going to put a tiny little bit of blueberry in here, and I literally mean a tiny little bit. That's too much. It's just the blueberry tint. And now I'm going to pick it up with my spatula bit by bit because I don't want too much in there. Oh, look at it with that. How gorgeous. Okay, so I can go a bit more. And a bit more. But one full drop would have been too much for what I want it for. So with that stardust, it just looks really nice and yummy. Tints always need to be mixed up really, really well. All right, let's go. That's a lot of it. Yeah, I think that's going to be nice, but I do want to maybe steal some from here because I don't really... Yeah, stealing some from there. And I'm going to put some in. Oh, you're leaking. That is not what's meant to happen. Bugger me. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to fix them, which is not going to be a problem. Nothing's a problem. Here we go. This one I think is going to be really nice. Like a geo type. Okay. And just push it up as far as it'll go. That's great. Shame that leaked, and hopefully won't leak on this side now. And this one. Might have to okay. This one can go under there as well. Just a bit. And this one here. No, I'm going to leave it like that. I think it's fine. Alrighty, well, let's see what happens. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we're back the next day. I took this one out. I'll tell you what, this one was the best so far. I really like this side of it. It's really pretty. But this side, all of that pigment kind of sat down on the bottom. It looks very shimmery if that's what you want. And a really nice kind of pattern there. But I really like this side. Really pretty. Alright, so I started taking this one off. So this one, oh wow. This one's really transparent, isn't it? I like this one too. But I'll have to work on these. Wow. Okay. See where it's thicker? It's like deeper. So that's nice. The other one, oh dear, I managed to pull out the little bubbles, but wasn't. I can still use this. I can still use this, that's for sure. But I'm glad that I pulled out all these. Well, most of them are out. There's still some left in there, see? Which come out real easy. But yeah, they pulled out. No problem at all. But the thing is, because it's so flat, the resin really didn't grip everywhere. So that is that. Now to figure out what to do with them. Definitely use them somewhere. Anyway, let me know what you think about this little interesting little one. And maybe you have some other suggestions. But for now, bye. Here I am, the pest. I'm back. I don't quite like that area there. So I've got these guys that I've made with these little, oh no, there it goes, these little molds, which used to be, oh geez, I did a video, but I don't think I've put it up. It used to be one big mold, and that was like a solid block, and I just trimmed it down and then poured some resin over it. So they're quite nice, and that side is nice as well. So I was thinking of, but that color is completely like wrong, or even just this one here, just to see how to. Sometimes I've got. Okay, so here they go. That sometimes the best way to do things is just to let it happen. So that's what I did. I just let them plonk wherever they wanted to fall. And with this last one, I did a couple of turns around, and that was it. But there you go. She's done, and you can see how those little inserts, they really work well. So whatever you can use, really, you don't have to do that, but whatever you can use, it helps to just embellish your piece. And that's what I do. Whatever I can find on hand, or make, or have something that I've made earlier, I'll just put it in my piece. And I'm really proud of this one. I really like it. So let me know what you think. I really appreciate your comments and your feedback. So yeah, don't be shy. Tell me what you think. And that's it for me. Signing out. Bye for now.